Groove Agent 6 brings major updates to Beat Agent, introducing the brand new Color Punch, a fresh, high-impact drum kit designed for powerful modern grooves, combined with a fast and flexible pattern editor and the new Spectral Warp mode for time stretching and pitch shifting. Beat Agent gives you more punch, control, and creative flow when building beats. Let's check it out. Let's start this video with something fun. Let's have a listen to some of the presets from Color Punch, the new drum kit in Groove Agent 6. The great thing is that you can audition all these presets straight away into the media bay. Let's have a listen. So as you can see, loads of fresh contemporary sounds, but also lots of variety when it comes to Color Punch. I want to dive straight into a thing that you can do now with Groove Agent 6 that is really powerful. So let me go to one of the presets. I'm going to use this one right here. This is 1 bounce of bounce, and I'm going to jump straight into the player view. So now as you can see, we have the new pattern editor right here. And I'm going to show you what you can do with this. But before I do, let me show you how you can actually use these different patterns so that you can add variation to your grooves. So let's start with this chorus 1 pattern. And that's very cool, but let's say I wanted to add some variation. Let me show you these yellow patterns right here. So if I go here, we can see we have clap, build up, or this one. So hi-hat rolls. So if I wanted, for example, to play this groove that I played before, now I can actually trigger the hi-hat rolls as well at the same time. So as you can see, I can trigger multiple patterns at the same time, and this way you can add feels and also add flavor to your beats. They don't sound the same every single time anymore. So this is a very powerful thing, and now I'm going to show you how the pattern editor works. So I'm going to go here on an empty slot, I'm going to select this pad, and as you can see, right now it's empty. Let's start building a groove. I'm going to add a few kick drum hits. I'm going to hit play. Snares, some hi-hats, I can add some swing, and the other great thing is that I can go here to my parameter lane and I can add probability, I can add velocity variance, I can add repeats. So let's add some repeats here, maybe 2 repeats right here and maybe a few more right here. Let's play it. Maybe I can randomize my velocity. So this is how easily you can create a groove. Of course, if you want, you can change the resolution. If I go here, I can make all these notes as 30-second notes. I can change the number of steps, and I can link my number of steps to the resolution or unlink them. So if I go here, I can just change the number of steps, as you can see. Now, if you want, you can show even more options when it comes to the pattern editor. The one thing that I want to show you is that if you want to make this as a separate window, you can just show the editor in separate window by by clicking here. And now we have a completely separate window if we want to start working with more focus on the pattern editor. So let me show you how you can bring up more options. If I click right here, I can show the lane inspectors. Let's say I want to add some steps to my hi-hat right here. I can go to my Euclidean dial and turn it up, and let's see what happens. So as you can see, it's very easy to start building and experimenting. The other thing that we can do is we can click on this lane header size, and you can see that now I get even more options. So if I want, I can go to my snare here and turn this into 32 note resolution. I can increase the number of steps. I can even randomize every single element like this. Let's say I wanted to do something creative. Let's say I wanted to have this last roll right here to go up in pitch for my snare. Let me show you how quickly you can do this. If I go to Kit and I select my snare pad right here, what I can do is I can go to my coarse tune control, right click and assign new automation and add to pattern. Click on this. And now when we go back to our pattern, we can see we have the pitch coarse control in our parameter lane, and I can actually do something like this. And it goes without saying that we can completely randomize the pattern altogether. So if I go here, I can hit randomize, and now I can get a randomized pattern. That's so cool. And as you can see, by tweaking the slider right here, we can adjust the number of steps. So if you have it all the way up, it's going to be very busy. If you tone it down a little bit, you're going to get a more relaxed, a more minimal version. So if you want to get inspiration, this is an amazing tool. Let me show you the other way that I love using when creating grooves. And this is recording straight into the pattern editor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select an empty pad right here. And as you can see, we have an empty pattern. Now, all you need to do is hit record enable. You can activate pre-count and the metronome, then hit play, and we can start recording. And it's that simple. This is how quickly you can start recording into the pattern editor. I love this workflow because it reminds me of how you would record in a traditional drum machine. So I love this workflow. And of course, if you want, you can just stop the recording, check out your elements, and then start it again. It's that easy. And of course, if you want, you can even activate step input if you want to record in a step input fashion. So you can just use your cursor keys right here on your keyboard to move on to the next note. And when you record a note, the cursor will move straight away into the next step. Pretty neat. Another powerful thing that you can now do with Groove Agent 6 is that we have pitch detection, which means if you drop in a sample and you want to know what pitch it is, you can actually do this very easily. All you need to do is activate this pitch detection curve, and as you can see, it immediately gives me the pitch, which in this case, it's a G. So So creating sampled instruments in Groove Agent is easier than ever, which makes it a really powerful workstation for building entire tracks. And of course, if you go to the sample tab, you can also activate the pitch detection right here. This is just a fraction of what's new in Groove Agent 6. Make sure you check out the other Groove Agent 6 videos on the channel to explore more features. Have fun, and I'll see you in the next one.